Me itty. I did it. I did it. Who are next week? You know how sticky it gets. You know how sticky it gets. Morning vlog. I'm here having my breakfast. What's my breakfast? I'm having my tea. I got some of these biscuits. And I just eat a donut. Now the funny thing is, I don't know if you can see it right there, but what does it say? August 1. Today is August 3rd.
Something alright, yeah.
Me eat it. I did it. I did it. Who are next weeks? Yesterday me eat one also. I'm gonna dash you that one. Now when I expire, I'm gonna dash you it. All of the ones I ate since August 1st expired, right? The one yesterday did kind of weird. Actually, I ate two yesterday. The one in the morning did actually have ginger on it. Yeah, the blue did dip on it. I'm just pick off the blue part, dash it away, and eat it. And then the second one I eat, it never did taste right. Especially the jelly part of it. So I only eat half and dash it away. And then this one, you know, I had all of it. But the jelly part of it, it tastes off. So to protect myself, I'm gonna throw away this one. I really don't want to because I think it's a waste of my money and I don't want to waste money in these times. But I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna finish up my breakfast at home.
Anything sweet you? Going sour your ass.
Do I regret my decision of eating that expired thing? No. Why not? Well, the book of Drake, verse 315 states, you know how sticky it gets. Yeah, so when you know how sticky it gets, you have no regrets. You know how sticky it gets.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. It was raining. My thing right now is, do I want to bring the umbrella? I really don't want to travel with anything in my hand. But at the same time, if I go and the rain starts falling, I have nothing to cover myself with. And I don't want to regret my decision. So I'd rather have it and not use it than need it and don't have it. If there's a lesson to be learned, I am going to learn it today. Because I'm going to carry the umbrella. And look at the skies. Really never in that mood to walk with the umbrella, I swear. Alright, boom. Pick up the package I'm supposed to go get. The last time I did mad at them. I don't know if I did tell you now. I was mad because of ignorance. Because the thing, when I go back the day after the youth with the them explained to me, say, because of where the package was sent. So that's why it was delayed. But still, I mean, but I was mad out of ignorance. So that's my fault. Another thing, if you want to know the problems of Jamaican people, I think you could what the leaders need to do, you know? Go undercover or send their workers to just travel in public transport and you will hear the problems where Jamaicans want to really address. Not that them not already voice it out there, but you will hear. And one of the things I heard this morning was the struggle it takes to get certain things done. Something I've complained about us. You need JP, you need a letter from Yasso, you need this, you need that. And people are just frustrated with that. They're tired of the whole heap of bangarang and the move round and the up and down. And what the lady suggested in the taxi was that we need one centralized system with information. Now I'm not sure, I think that's what it was the NIDS thing is going to be. As I name. But seems like they're on the right path if that's what they're trying to do with NIDS. Where you don't really need as much of all these extra things and the bagger move up and down. When they are trying to get a job, they are trying to get a bank account. You know? But Jamaican people did a fuss and fight against the NIDS. And they didn't want it. But then again, some people probably are cussed because of ignorance. They don't really understand it. They feed into the conspiracy idea more than feeding into the sensible, logical thing. Oh, what I wanted to say was, I want a female taxi driver, maybe have. It's been a while since I've skiing. I think for the whole year, maybe I have 2 female taxi drivers, I see. In the year out there. And I know that the roads there are more of them on the road now than back them time there. So I just want to say big up to all the female taxi driver them. This morning when we were coming in a taxi, right, a brother come in there. He was musty, but I didn't smell it at first. Then 2 more people come in, so I'm kind of have to squeeze over upon me. And then I smell the scent, but I try to pinpoint where the scent come from. I just can't figure it out anyways. I'm reaching destination, him come off. As him come off, the lady where did come beside him, she say, I know wrong with them, a young boy. But they can't be it. I'm gonna figure out and say, oh, the bossy smells so. And I'm thinking to myself, my God, bro, this is the reason why I just, you know what I mean, make sure that deodorant is under there and the axe is well sprayed on. Because you know, when I go in a taxi, brother, I come out, people say them thing there. When I go in there, you're supposed to say, boy, I smell goodie. And then I must send answer. No! Alright, now I'm for bust a little walk. I'm afraid to say, I'm not too sweaty if I go beside people. I'm really try to avoid the walking thing, but you have to end up beat here, man. So hopefully nobody will say, can you do it? Let me get it. Yo, I don't know where that be. But I want one. I have to go get one. Then I taxi a while ago and I contemplate like selling the car and all of them things. Just my mind bombarded with a bag of things. And you know, like I just snap out of it. And as I snap out of it, on the radio, this lady just say, everything we about you just put in a God hand. It was really weird. But you know, I think that was a message for me and for a lot of people, you know. I mean, all the things we about you, man, just really put it in a God hand, make God take you and do what I'm supposed to do, you know. Word of the day, put it in God's hands. It's that simple. Clip 1, which is this you're looking at right now, was me in the 7-seater. I mean, I like traveling a 7-seater because them run at the back, it give me this claustrophobic vibe. Feel like I'm gonna panic when I'm around here. Surprisingly, I never feel like it today. And then clip number 2 was the peanut lady. Normally you always see men nutsy. I think this is the first time in a long while I've seen a female nutsy. So big up to the female nutsy them. I'm having the greatness that is the bun and cheese once again. Wow. Exquisite, man. We just done edit a video, the vlog that I did on Monday. You're gonna get it today, which is Wednesday. And then I think I'm gonna begin the editing process for this one. And I should be done by the end of the day. So let us see. When you eat the bun and cheese, and it's nice, so you make it to a curl. Happy? No? Alright, cool. But there, as I reply to some comments, I'm say, Karine, big up yourself. Karine say, she hate lizard. I don't like them either. And people, yesterday, I sit down, right here so, and I'm a couch. See? Who that me see? Because I usually left the door open so that breeze can circulate through the place. You understand? Who that me see a brother lizard over there so? Now me get up, the lizard stop. Me I look for him, I look for me. I start shout. Come on! Because I know say if I rush him, he might go around a bedroom. I mean, I want that happen. People make a one lick of tooks. Guess where lizard run go? Now around my bedroom. I may have to skate after him growing because you see, I never catch him in time. He actually reach in my bedroom. I flick on the light, and because I was so quick flicking on the light, because my head under the bed now and in a room kind of darkish. Flick on the light and catch him. I forgot some boom and flick off the crux. You see what I say? Ragam! Dead in dead. At the crossroad, you know. I want to just stay outside now, man. I want to come in here for come perplex my tranquility. Ninja man would have say. Just left me alone, man. I left the door open for air come in. Nothing else. I don't want no fly, no lizard, no ants. You don't have outer door, me have in here so. If you not come in here so, I'm soon. 9 nights I go keep. That's all me have to say. Video did a render, light just gone. Video rendering get pushed back. So if when I get that video now, I get it late. So there's no know what go on. I think this is our vlog 156. When I hear the rumblings, so I know say all internet gone too. You know? Yeah. But then I wonder why I feel so tired, Zine. And then I realized that it was the pill, the antibiotic when me take. But me did say it say make you feel drowsy. It just a kick in my system becoming like, and then the whole rain vibe set up. And I might just go take a little nap. I'm gonna try restart the video, restart the rendering process on the video. Hopefully you go through, because out the door it's still like it. I don't know if I hear it, but thunder just this continuous rolling of thunder. So I don't know what I go on after. I might just take a nap. I'm gonna like sleep a day because then it's hard to sleep at night. I'm just feel groggy like after I wake up on them thing then. I don't like it, bro. I don't like that feeling. That sound like somebody I cut land too. Boom people, the box we got collect today. I mean I already know what's in there, but since when I dupes, I decide to show now I go on in the box there, you understand? Yeah man, you wanna run with the gang, you don't know the thing go. El Chapo, El Gringo. Yeah man. You know, easy 1 3 easy. See it there? Box bust open. Bubble wrap and all that. Mad something. Mad thick head no good. Mad thick head no good. What we got? What we got? Look at that. We got some. That's a lot. That's a lot. We got some K2K key rings. Nice. Beautiful. Bruh. Look at that. Now look at that.
That's rich. That's
clean, man. Who's out there more? Travis. Big up yourself in the virgin. Travis for island destinations. So if you try to get your keyring them laser engraved, link up Travis for island destinations. Who want a keyring? That's some nice things we can have. Cause you know sometimes you buck up on fans and you want to have something to give them. So this, yeah. Look at the detail, bro. Y'all see the detail in it? No, y'all see it's the whole K2K logo, bro. If you see me and I do not get none, maybe I done it done, but when you see me, if you just say, yo Kevin, want me keyring there? And enough there too. Bungle. Blood stain, enough of them. Travis, big up yourself, brother. Keyring in a bungle. And the boss drop in a couple of island destinations. So if you know island destinations, you can get that too. You understand? Boss drop in a couple of them now. Nice little way for promote your business this way, you know. Yeah man, so you just give it to your fans them and the people them who support you for free. You know what I mean? And you promote your business card when people see them. I say, how about that there? Bungler, keyring and them thing there. Travis, big up yourself. Right now I'm gonna take a couple of pictures for you, gram. What up, man? You already know, man. You know what I mean? Side ab, obliques, Kevin coming through. You heard me? We got them little things right here. We ain't really been working out, but you know what I'm saying? We still got it on us here. Anyways, I just on Agnes me want to do bubble wrap and all something. Oh, it's popping. The big one, them must weird though. Thing would I get more out of it. And the big one, is anti-climatic in a sense. So I was gonna, you know, it lick one of them, you guys. I'm planning to eat some noodles, right? And I think it's gonna be fairly quick. Some ramen may I do. So you know, some ramen, them say 3 minutes and I cook. I'll put some ginger and some garlic on it. Not the sauce. I'm gonna do the sauce. I'm gonna do the sauce. And be sure of that when we done. I got be it first. Maybe I could be it first. And there you have it, vlog. That's dinner. We got some ramen, you know, some soy sauce, And of course, we have the spicy sweet honey ginger. Again, there I go talking about honey. The ginger garlic spicy sweet sauce. Yeah, that's it. And we have 2 boiled eggs cut in half, sprinkle a little salt, a little black pepper, and we dash on some escallion. And this is dinner. This is my little go-to whenever I feel like cooking. I am clean and I'm not looking too shabby. Let me just, do like a quick taste test, see where I go on. I think too much of the soy sauce to get to it, but at the right color, so. Perfecto. Perfecto. Wow. Look. Wow, man. Simple and delicious. Listen. That's it for the vlog. See you soon tomorrow. Or in our next vlog, I should say. Pick up on yourself. Look at more.